Hey there, everyone! If you want to make $2,000 a month without doing anything or just copying and pasting, this video isn't for you. But if you're ready to work hard and be patient, keep watching. I know many of you have heard about blogging, but haven't seen results. And those pricey gurus, forget them. Here, you'll get a premium course on blogging and SEO. If you're determined, you'll lead. If not, no worries, you can skip this. Let me share a secret. When I started blogging and SEO, I wanted quick success, but it didn't work. True success comes from dedication and passion. In this video series, I'll teach you effective blogging and SEO strategies, but remember, it takes time and effort. You can achieve your dreams with commitment. This is just an intro. There's more to come. Where do you fit in the blogging and SEO world? Please comment your rank and also comment the language you prefer down below. Rank 1. No worries, we all start somewhere, and you'll learn from the beginning. Rank 2, you have a head start. Together, we'll go higher. Rank 3, congrats on your success. Let's aim even higher. Choose English or Urdu for content preference. Ready to learn and grow? Hit that subscribe and follow button. Let's start this adventure together. Thanks for being here.